President, the amendment that I have pending, or trying to get pending for the WRDA bill, would delay the increase in flood insurance rates for people in this country that are going to be suffering in unbelievable ways, not just homeowners, not just business owners, but communities, Mr. President, across America. This isn't a Louisiana issue. It's not a Louisiana, Texas issue. It is a national issue, as this chart will show. These are all the states in the United States that have flood insurance policies, starting with Florida, who has the most, millions to over 2 million flood insurance policies in the state of Florida. Texas is second with 645,000. Louisiana has 486,000 policies. California, the fourth state, has 256,000. New Jersey has 240,000. South Carolina has 205. New York, 178. North Carolina, 138,000. Virginia, over 100,000. Georgia, close to 100,000. And Mississippi at 75,000. Mr. President, this is a very serious issue, and I thank the chair